Hi guys, today is September and we are in Verkhobush village. As I remember, it is 13 kilometers from Zolochiv city. There are many forests, and as you could expect it, there are many fields, ploughed lands. Okay, we are going to the forest to look for some mushrooms. And just to observe the nature of this region. The first mushrooms, in Ukrainian we call them masluk. It grows in the special type of forests under the tree which names in Latin Larix. Here it is somewhere, this tree. Here it is, this tree. Today is not a lot of mushrooms, maybe because it is very cold at night. So nice. Definitely it is from a village. Culture plant. It is the best mushroom which names in Latin Boletus edulis. You can't believe what it is, guys. It is Anthurus archery. very rare mushroom, which was included in the Red Data Book of Ukraine even, and it is here. Maybe it is not in the Red Data Book now, but it was in the past, definitely. It has unpleasant smell, and you can see there are many fires near him. So nice. Yeah, I saw this mushroom maybe 2 years ago, just 2 kilometers or 1 kilometer from here, so it is not new for us. It is Pinus veimutula, and definitely it was planted in this forest. Very old. Isn't it the kingdom of mushrooms? So many unknown mushrooms. This plant is named Rudbeckia. It is a domestic plant. You see how big this tree was? It is it names beech tree. But now they are cut. And there are some saved trees. Old beech forest. Here we can see the Phalanthera damasonicum or damasonicum in Latin. It is the species of plant which is included in the Red Data Book of Ukraine, and you can see there are nearly 100 of them. A lot. Now they are fruiting, but it is not ended yet. They are not dried. So this process is continuing. Here we see electricity pylons. Far away behind this forest is Lukovets village. We finished our trip and are going to return to Verkhobush village. Thanks for watching.